So like very randomly I'm starting my vlog. Today is actually the sports day of my college and I'm like ready and going to my college, and I just thought why not vlog, because honestly speaking I have no content left at all. So like this weekend we are having like fun events, like today is sports and tomorrow we have our picnic. So might as well vlog it for you guys. I don't know kitna kuch I'll be able to vlog. These two are running, hopefully. Tu to doda bhi to.
Obviously.
Yes. So all the best. Hey, tu to doda bhi. Hi bole de. Basically, I am the only useless person who's come here to throw a ball, literally. But like we're just sitting right now. The events are yet to start.
I can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat.
So right now Ishani and Poshali, they are gonna run. So we came here like side track ke side mein. So we're gonna film them. Kal to Ishani's shoes literally flew off, but we'll see now what happens.
Me right, your dark hair, but those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life.
So obviously we lost the throw the ball, so we are very useless like that. But Poshali did kind of qualify, so her game is not over yet.
She's my babe, so
Are love. The next day.
Hi guys, good morning. Today is the 27th of March and right now it's 6:30 AM. So I've woken up like really early and I need to leave my house within an hour. So right now I'm doing all my morning rituals, having my warm water. So basically this is like our inter-department picnic and the entire department of our college is going. We're going somewhere like near Shonarpur. It's like in Kolkata only. So I'm kind of excited to go as well. All my friends are going. Yeah, lol. So as usual, I'm running late. Don't even consider my halat because I'm literally a mess right now. It is 7:15. I was supposed to reach at 7:30, but hopefully subah traffic low rahega so I can reach on time. Plus it's a Sunday, so.
Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like.
So right now we're outside our college. Obvious. Fortune আমি famous হব। আবার করছে না, আবার এসব করছে। But right now we're outside our college. We are gonna. Why?
Like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need.
Hi guys, welcome to Poppy Next Vlogs.
প্রথমেই হেগে দিয়েছি তোমার উত্তেজনাটা কোথায়? তুমি কিসের জন্য ওয়েট করে আছো? আরেকবার ইয়ে করে বলবি, সেপারেট করে বলবি, আমাদের এমনি তো ভালো না।
So we literally just had our breakfast. I'm not able to vlog that much, but I'm vlogging in bits and pieces here. So right now we are at the Nildeep Gardens, which is in like Shonarpur, and पीछे अभी music चल रहा है. We just had our breakfast and we are just roaming about. उसके बाद more fun activities are gonna start. That's that.
Honestly, কাউকে এখন অবধি হয়তো চিনি না।
Very good.
নয়।
ওর নামটা শুনবে বলে চলে এসেছি। তুই তো নামটা শুনবে বলে চলে এসেছিস তো।
আমি জানি ওটা অভিষেক দা।
Always falling for the wrong guys.
ব্লগ না, ব্লগে
আমি তো পেয়েছি, আমারই একটা ক্লাসমেটের থেকে পেয়েছি। কেমন আছো তুমি? ওগো, কেমন আছো বলো না। হ্যাঁ, আপনি কি বাসিরদা বলছেন? হ্যাঁ, আপনার আমাকে মনে আছে, আমি ঈশানী। So I'm like vlogging after a really long time. We had a lot of fun. We played a round of truth and dare, Uno, and now we're going for lunch. Wait, I'm just climbing down the stairs. Need to be a little safe. Yeah. Lipstick to pura hi utar gaya. I'll add a few clips from here and there. I did not vlog much, obviously, but abhi we're gonna go for lunch, and uske baad more events are yet to happen. So we'll see how that goes. I'm really tired, sweating, a mess, but it's fun.
They keep telling me it's alright. How could I be so blind? I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there?
जो कहती हो मर्द मेरा तो लगता है जाने मुर्जामे तेरे पीछे पीछे चलो जैसे पीछे पीछे चलो जैसे मंदिर की सीढ़ी पे चलो शामे
और कैसे कोई सोच ले everything's gonna be okay. कभी कभी तो लगे जिंदगी में रही ना खुशी और ना मजा. So I actually didn't vlog for a really long time and I doubt you can see me either. But right now I am in the auto going back home. The picnic was a huge success and I think right now it is imperative I end my vlog. And even though it's just like a very noisy mess, I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, you know that you'll like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you in my next one. Till then, guys, stay home, stay safe. I love all of you guys a lot. Bye.